The most valuable aspect with partnering with SmartCover is prevention of SSOs and providing us insight into our sewer lines when we can't be there. Our biggest challenge was staffing. Currently, at the time we started looking, we did not have a sewer crew, so we were doing it all from within the engineering department and hiring contractors and consultants to implement our CMOM program. So that was our biggest problem, was the staffing. So we were looking at different alternatives to be able to monitor our sewer system without the staffing in place. And even with the staffing currently, there's 100 miles of sewer that we own and operate, and it's across the entire county. So we can't have eyes on the system at all times. We had met Tim, and he presented the smart covers to us. We looked at the technology, and we did a trial run of both the level sensor and an H2S sensor. And in that trial run, we actually were able to prevent an SSO from one of our pump stations not operating properly. So we expanded that further, and we've been using them ever since. In the trial of the H2S sensor, having that physical data back was very valuable. We saw high spikes, and we were able to correlate that with the different time of year, different events that were happening at our pump station, and also correspond that with odor complaints that we received. And so we're able to take that data, and now we're working on a future project to address the H2S in the appropriate way. Advantages of the SmartCover system over others in tracking the I&I, from a installation perspective, once the SmartCover sensor is installed in the lid, we can move that lid around to any other location. So as we pinpoint, or we start to pinpoint where the I&I is coming from, we can nail that down into a smaller window of where the I&I is coming from. The specific features of the SmartCover that stood out were kind of the trends and the reporting functions, as well as the graphs that we see on the SmartCover website. It's really user-friendly and intuitive, so I really like those features. And then the I&I reporting, it's very convenient to be able to pick a specific time frame and get a glimpse at the I&I that you're seeing in the system. We're using the website and mobile app. The mobile app more so on our daily activities, the sewer crews, taking a look at those, making sure there's no issues with the sensor. And then especially during rain events, they're taking a look at those sensors, seeing if there's anything that needs to be addressed within the sewer system. And then monthly, we have our meetings with the crew, and we're taking a look at those insights that we get from the website, seeing if there's any trends that we should be paying attention to, and also looking at maybe there's other parts of the system we want to look at. The SmartCover package is more than just the hardware. It includes the mobile app and the website, and we're able to take that information in tandem to react to our system in a more efficient manner. In addition, there's the SmartCover customer service and field service that we receive, and it really provides us with a turnkey system. The SmartCover solution has impacted our strategy pretty significantly. We're going to be covering 90% of our sewer system with the level sensors, and this is going to be a big step forward in our CMOM program. We'll be able to take this data not only for ourselves, but in sharing with the local municipalities, and hopefully we'll spread that out into the municipalities and reduce I&I coming into our system, not just within our system.